to all. You have to hear. And manager is going to explain about our Nightingale. Okay, Nightingale of our Tamil Nadu 12 languages. Great, delicious, precious, wonderful, charming, pretty Nightingale of our Tamil Nadu. Our famous singer Dr. SUSHEELA madam. Okay, SUSHEELA was a singer madam. Our great singer, Nightingale, cookbird of 12 languages, the great singer is SUSHEELA, playback singer, direct singer, devotional singer, Carnatic musician. Her name is in a Guinness Book of World Record. She had sung in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Bengali, Odisha, Sanskrit, Tudu, Sinhala. There's a Nightingale of SUSHEELA got National Award given by the Kerala State Festival and Tamil Nadu State Award and Nandi Award. Asian book and the name is there. SUSHEELA Trust 2008 is there. Monthly pension payment scheme only given to outstanding talents